In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page using HubSpot. Whether you're looking to capture leads, promote a new product, or drive more traffic to your website, a well-designed landing page can make all the difference. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience. To get started, you want to first navigate your way to the content section on the HubSpot platform. When you look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll find the option labeled Content. Clicking on this will reveal a submenu. Here, you should see Landing Pages. Go ahead and click on that option. This is the gateway to your landing page creations and edits. Once you are in the Landing Pages section, take your eyes to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Create. Clicking this button will open up a realm of possibilities for the kind of landing page you want to make. HubSpot allows you to either start from scratch or to take advantage of its curated templates. Today we'll explore how to utilize a template, which is particularly helpful if you're seeking guidance on page design or don't have a specific layout in mind. Selecting the right template is an important step. With HubSpot, the templates are diverse, catering to different marketing purposes such as lead generation, event promotion, or product launches. Think about the goal of your landing page and choose a template that aligns with that objective. This not only helps convey your message effectively, but also optimizes user experience. Now, here comes the fun part. Once you've selected your template, the landing page is essentially created for you. This is where you begin your customization journey. HubSpot makes it really user-friendly to tweak and tailor your page exactly how you envision it. You can adjust text, colors, images, and other elements to fit your brand's identity and message. Take your time to explore the design tools and don't hesitate to experiment with different ideas. Remember, the best landing pages are concise and focused. They have a clear call to action and visually guide the visitor to complete that action. So as you're customizing, keep your target audience in mind and think about what will drive them to engage. And there you have it. A basic setup for creating a landing page on HubSpot. With the ease of choosing a template and the flexibility of customizing it to match your vision, you're well on your way to engaging your audience and meeting your marketing goals. Give yourself a pat on the back for taking the initiative to learn and develop your digital marketing skills. Make sure to hit save and preview your page to see the fruits of your labor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your HubSpot experience.